might be making a bad decision today because your boy sold his daily to this guy. Now, if you could guess what this car is just by seeing from the interior shot, you let us know in the comments below.
Just wait till the end of the video, you'll see it.
You'll find out real quick. She's a little peppy. Way faster than T-Bird. Oh, she rolls, bro. Whoa. Hopefully she's not watching this from her house. Should your boy see if she's a real ripper?
Hell yes.